Hello everyone. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data, and in this data I already applied the filter. So here I'm going to clear all. So here you can see in product column have a filter is applied, same as in category also filter is showing. Okay. So if you want to clear filter only one column, you can it. Suppose I'm going to clear these filters product column. Okay. So I just click on the filters option, then click on the clear filter from the product column. So just click on this option and you can see only the product column filter is clear and category filter is showing still. Okay. If you want to clear all filter, simply go to the data tab in sort and filter option, click on the clear filter option and you can see the all filter is clear. Okay, so this is the way you can easily clear all filter in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.